Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this stunning Suzuki SV650. So beautiful bike is this one. It's a 2021 but on a 71 plate, and it's done just 1,009 miles from new. Really clean bike overall. As you can see, it's got that nice radiator guard on there, and that's about it. They're a really good bike, these. Plenty of torque from that 650 V-twin engine, and they're also A2 compatible as well. This generation comes with full digital display. You get gear indicator and you get range as well with a full fuel gauge. But like I say, really great bike. You can restrict these down to an A2 license as well. And they always do really well with us. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.